Hello, everyone. This is your very own Mr. Cloud Oleka, and I bring you good tidings. So now I want to teach you a scalping uh, strategy, and this class is going to come in parts by parts. So this is the part one, and the reason why I'm teaching this is because now in previous course, I showed you all how you can get $3,000 from the Binance platform for free. So this is an amount that you can now withdraw. Yes, you can now withdraw it. It's just Binance giving you a head start. So the reason why I advise you to use the money to try this strategy is so you can know how profitable this is before you start using real money. And as this course is going to be sections by sections, it means that I will be dropping so many scalp trading strategies because I know a whole lot of you really want to make it from this field, and you practicing with your own money is not advisable because now this strategy I give you, yes, it's going to profit you, yes, you're going to make money, you will see the result yourself. But here's the truth is now there are some risk management you do not know, there are some mistakes you will make that will cost you fortune. But if you're using the Binance money to make all these mistakes, there's corrections and fixing and everything, then you have already made the mistakes, you've already learned. So when you start using real money, you will not make the mistake. So, like I said, this course is going to come sessions by session. So every day, 2 or 3 days, I will try to drop updates on this courses. So the first thing you're going to learn is the hammer and the shooting star. And this is just for scalpers because when you're scalping, you're not really analyzing the market well. What does it mean? It means that you're just out to just make profit, close, make profit, close, make profit, close. And when I will teach you this, I will use a lower time frame. But trust me, whatever you learn here can still be applied to higher time frame. But like I said, this is for scalping. And when you're scalping, you're not looking forward to make 100%, 200%, 1,000,000%. You understand? So you're scalping, you're just going in, profit close, find another entry in, profit close, find another entry in, profit close. And what I will tell you in this strategy is if you follow what I will teach you here, and you go into 10 trades, I am sure that you will win six and have four losses. Like I'm telling you, no strategy guarantees 100%. That is why risk management is important. So let's go into our chart so you can best understand everything I am talking about. So right now we are in our chart and this is the BTC USDT pair. And this is the 3 minutes time frame. You can decide to use the 5 minutes time frame. So whichever you want to use, the choice is yours. So now I said we are looking for what the hammer and what the shooting star. So now this is what you should know. So what is the shape of the hammer? The shape of a hammer is like this. Sorry, my lines are not straight. Then a shooting star is just a reverse of this. Sorry. So this is a hammer and this is a shooting star. The reason why I'm teaching you this scalping strategy is because these two candlestick represent what we call price rejection. So whenever you see this, uh, it represents a price rejection or a price continuation. That is why whenever you see this shape of a hammer in a chart or a shooting star, the market will go up. So now again, this is very important. So what am I teaching you now? It's a scalping strategy, and for that reason, you just have to look for places where the hammer is made visible. So now I told you all, whenever you see the hammer, it shows what the price is going up. Whenever you see the shooting star, it shows a powerful price rejection. So now, if you knew the scalping strategy, Mr. Clark said, whenever the hammer appears in any chart, or it is time for you to do what? Buy long. Whenever if you need a diagram of the hammer and the shooting star, you can still uh, Google it and check it so you can get familiar with it. So now, looking at this now, you will see that at this level now, this now we got at this level now we got what? A hammer. You see, this is a hammer at this level. If you went long on this trade, success. This is a very strong hammer which shows a very powerful price rejection, which is a price moved from here to this level, then close at this level. So if you are taking this trade, a powerful win. So then again, we now have at this level now, you see we had a shooting star. So what happened? The price came down. So here again we have again another hammer again, which is a powerful price rejection. So what happened? If you had made your entry here, you will be at this profit. So here again we had a hammer at this level. So what happened again? If you had made the profit, up. Here again, we have a hammer if you had made your entry up. So now this is an advanced technique that I just brought it down at this low level so you can understand. So you see that whenever you see the hammer in a chart, what is it telling you? It's telling you that the price is going up. So now I showed you all a shooting star. So look at this level now. You will see the reverse of a hammer happen, which is a shooting star, which closed at this level. What happened? The price went down. So if we keep going back and back in chart, you will realize that whenever you see the hammer appear in a chart, it's simply telling you that the market is about to take a new turn. So all you just have to do is to make your entry. So look at this level now. Look at this place now. You will see that at this level, the hammer appeared. If you had made your entry, you will be in this profits. So if you keep going again and keep checking and checking, you see at this level now, the hammer appear. If you had made your entry, you will definitely be at this profit. So what I'm saying is that this is an advanced technique, but I just simplified it the way you can understand exactly what it is. So if you go into 10 trades with this, I can guarantee you that you will get six positively. So now when you are going into a trade using the scalping method, let's say for instance now, okay, now not for instance, this is a hammer now, and you know this candle closed at this level. So this is going to be your entry. Your stop loss should just be a little below what the hammer. So whenever it clicks down here, you are out of the trade. A little below the hammer, that should be your stop loss. It doesn't matter the size or anything. Once you're going into trade, your stop loss should be below the hammer, because this is a scalping strategy. Very, very simple strategy. So when I teach you things like this, you can wait for them to appear in your charts, just like this one again. You see a price rejection, stop loss. So if you keep checking all, go back in time and check. Whenever you see a hammer or whenever you see a shooting star, look at this now. You see this was a shooting star. What happened? The price got down to this level. So whenever you keep seeing shooting star, look at this. What happened? The price got down to this level. So if we keep going back and forth, we will realize that whenever we see shooting stars in the market, it shows that the price is going to take a new dimension. So this is just a very simple scalping strategy that you can learn, utilize it, practice with it, back and forth, back and forth. You can use whatever time frame you want to use, either the 1 hour, the 1 day, whatever. But whenever you see the hammer appear, stop loss should be below the hammer, up, buy long to go long. Whenever you see the shooting star appears, what should you look at for? Stop loss should be above the shooting star. Boom, you sell short. So that way you will make more money. So it's just a very simple strategy. So as we keep advancing gradually, you keep understanding more. So look at this now. We got a powerful price rejection, because what tells you a candle is a hammer is the price rejection. You see, this was a powerful price rejection. So if you had made your entry at this level and your stop loss below the hammer, that is the rule, you will see that you will be in this profit in just about let's see, in just about this should be about 33 minutes. You make about 6% of your entry. So what am I trying to make you know? This is a very simple scalping strategy. So this is a part one. So look at here again. You will see if you already knew this at this level, you see, you can still go back to the higher time frame and check. Whatever I'm telling you, check back test. Now you have dollars in your Binance account. If you don't know how to get the dollars, watch the previous video. Now you have the dollars. Just try these things I'm teaching you.